Bangaphezu kwezigidi ezintathu abantu ababhalisele ukuvota eWestern Cape. I-IECET inethemba lokuthi lesibalo sizokhuphuka ikakhulukazi entsheni. Kuze kube inamhlanje kubantu abangu-200,000 ababhalisele ngohlelo lwekhompyutha abangu-46,000 base-Western Cape.
You need to be registered and on the voters roll by the evening of the 20th of September, because that is when the voters roll closes. So voters are again reminded to please ensure that you have only the next 3 days to get yourselves registered or to update your registration.
uHendricks uthi amahhovisi omnyango zasekhaya azovula kuso sonke isifundazwe kulempelasonto ukuze abantu bakwazi ukuyolanda omazisi babo kanye nomazisi besikhashana. Abavoti kufanele babhalise lapho behlala khona.
Any person that needs to collect the ID or needs to apply and receive a temporary identity certificate are reminded that the Department of Home Affairs will open all its offices over this weekend on the 18th and 19th during office hours.
Zonke izikhungo zizoba nomshini omusha wokuvota. Kuqashwe abantu abangu-3,290 baqeqeshwa ukuze bakwazi ukubhalisela ukuvota kulempelasonto. Izikhungo zokuvota zizovula libumbene ihora lesishiyagalombili ekuseni kuze kuyoshaya iLesihlanu ntambama kusasa nangesonto.